Corona trial, I think the senator judges were given more leeway to act less as judges but more as advocates, no? Giving them more opportunities to ask questions, giving them more time to confront witnesses and counsels, which by the way is not provided in the US model. The US model specifically prohibits senator judges from talking, from dialoguing with counsels and the impeached official. So this is where we have a local flavor, no? And now in the third impeachment trial, we see that this has gone bananas already. This particular aspect of our impeachment trial, senator judges now are basically like litigants already, and counsels for the litigants already, no? And that has made our impeachment model perverse in that sense, because now even senator judges can act as advocates for the parties involved. So